Do you want to hear a pizza joke? Nah, it's too cheesy. You're welcome.
Just throwing this lock and band here up at the top, up there. Now it's the hunting portion of the day. Wish me luck. About 4 huge raccoons ate all the apples I put out and 1 porcupine. So I put a few more out, I put less out this time. A deer did come in also, so that's good. So I just put out a little bit this time. And that's fine, I'll just feed the woods with the apples. I found another apple tree up further on the property that still had apples hanging on it too, so that's cool. Anyways, I enjoy it either way. Even watching those guys come in and ramble, that usually happens anyway. In our homestead a few years back, I don't know if you remember that, but multiple bears were coming in and eating our apples, and we ended up just harvesting a bear that year. Anyways, deer still coming in. Just saw a small buck as well, and we'll get something here at some point. I do have a doe tag on me. That's how it works in New Brunswick. You put in to get a doe tag as well, and I have that too. So either one, it's still very early in the season, so I got lots of time. You see that on the stove? That's the, I'm curing the wood stove now. Get the door open, the windows. This is how I've always done it with my other stove, so it's safe. Somebody's talking to me. By all means, if you have a stove and you want to cure it outside, go ahead. Not tell anybody what to do, but I don't believe it makes any difference just to do it in here with the windows and doors open. You know, this place is not even insulated or anything, but this is just how we've always done it. No issues. It's just basically curing the paint and stuff. But again, not a how-to channel, just showing you how we do it and have always done it. And anybody I know does it this way too, because if you get you get one installed in your house and stuff like that too, usually it shows up like this, and this is what you gotta do. But again, if you want to do it outside, you can do it outside. This one here, I carried it the whole way in here, so first of all, I wasn't going to do it outside anyway, but even if I was going to, I would have had to add all that extra weight and cure it outside with the legs on and the door, and, you know, add a lot more weight to it, and then have to lift it into the cabin. So it was already heavy enough without that stuff, so this is fine. It's well ventilated. Another thing important to note is that I'm not just hanging inside the cabin while I cure the stove out also. So I want to keep that in mind. I don't just sit in there while I'm curing it. So just so you know.
Morning. No eggs yet. Pretty early. Pretty early. Yeah. Hello. Hungry, Jojo?